Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building and height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60. What is the distance you and the object? If you are shooting an arrow, the top of the building, at the height is building height is, what is the height? 6 meters. What is the angle of depression? Angle of depression is 60. What should we find out? Distance between you and the object. We know that building height is the 60 meters and the angle of depression is 60. What should we find out? We should find the length of the view and ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఇక్కడ పర్సన్ ఉన్నారు, తన పర్సన్ నుండి తను చూసే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క లెంత్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. మనం సైన్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటే సైన్ 60 ఈక్వల్ టు అపోజెన్సీ బై అపోటెన్యూస్. సో ఏబీ బై ఏసీ. Sin 60 equal to AB means what is the AB? This is the building. But what is the height of the building? 6 meters. 6 meters. But AC we don't know. Manam find out చేయాల్సింది AC. So sin 60 equal to, what is the value of sin 60? So sin 60 equal to, what is the value? √3/2 equal to 6 meters by AC. AC means the distance between you and the object. Here we can apply cross multiplication. √3 AC equal to 2 into 6 meters. AC equal to 12 meters. So AC equal to 12 by √3 meters. 12ని ఏమని రాసుకోవచ్చు? 3/4 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, బై √3. బికాస్ ఇక్కడ √3 ఉంది, మనం √3 క్యాన్సిల్ అయ్యేలా చూసుకోవాలి. 3ని ఏమని రాసుకోవచ్చు? √3 into √3 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. 4 meters బై √3. 1 √3 2 క్యాన్సిల్, 4 √3 meters. What is the height? What is the distance? 4 √3 meters.